Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an arbitration agreement with LegalZoom, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy an arbitration agreement with LegalZoom, start by visiting the LegalZoom website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the business section of the website. Select legal agreements from the menu options. Search for arbitration agreement using the search bar. Click on the option that best matches your needs. Review the details and features of the arbitration agreement offered. Click on the Get Started button. Fill out the required information about your business. Provide details about the individuals involved in the arbitration agreement. Customize the agreement by answering specific questions provided in the platform. Review the content generated to ensure it meets your expectations. Make any necessary edits or modifications. Once satisfied, proceed to the next step. Choose your payment plan that fits your budget. Confirm your payment information and submit the order. After the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Access your LegalZoom account to download the completed arbitration agreement. Review the document thoroughly before using it. Consider consulting with a legal professional to ensure compliance with local laws. Finally, distribute the agreement to all relevant parties and ensure proper signatures are obtained. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.